I don't know what to do, man. I've visited in the past 2 days 4 different junkyards in the state of Florida. Today I'm in West Palm Beach. Yesterday I was in Davie, Florida. The day before I was in Port St. Lucie. And all I see in junkyards are D16Y7. Alright, so that's this one, right? And I saw like 10 Hondas here with D16Y7s. Man, it's so frustrating. I'm losing hope. Here's another Honda with a D16Y7, you know, because of the intake. And right across from that, it's a D16Y7 with a intake manifold. I think that's a Frankenstein. This is a Frankenstein Civic. But man, if I was in the market to post this on eBay, probably would sell. But yeah, man, I pretty much walked this whole junkyard, and they online it said that they had 13 Honda Civics. 2 of them are EX Civics. In the year that I wanted, there was a D16 Z6 here, but the motor's gone. Motor and trans. I was gonna get the transmission today, but nothing is here at the junkyard in the D16 Z6. All right, so I found some EG Civics here, like this red one, but you can just tell by the valve cover that it's not a vtec. It's the same motor I have in my car. I could take the valve cover because it's a lot cleaner than the one I have, but I don't plan on keeping my engine. I don't plan on keeping anything in my car. Here's another Civic. Nice rims. It's a D16Y7 because of the intake. So, man, do any of you guys out there have, here's another Civic, D16Y7. This engine is here, the head gasket blown, and you can tell because the radiator just exploded. Damn, dog! Alright, so that's this side. Damn, what? Damn, boy, she gotta chill. Let me go to the next lane and I'll show you what I have there. But this rain looks like it's about to come down real soon. But I don't care about the rain. I just want to get what I came in for. I'm looking really for, if I can find a vtec head, I'm good. Or a wire harness, I'm good. Like, I'll take the motor wire harness off, but most of these engines don't even have a wire harness. What lane did I just come out of? This one? No, I didn't come out of this one. But I don't see any Hondas in this lane. I saw RSX. Man, that RSX was completely, here, I'll show you what the engine looks like. I feel like the day the RSX even hit, like they dropped off the RSX on the forklift, it was just dudes waiting to just tear into it. I don't think the RSX came to the junkyard the way it looked. I don't know where it is now. I'm trying to hurry up and show you guys before the rain really gets crazy. Of all the Civics I've seen. But trust me, I looked at all the Civics here, and none of them have the motor I'm looking for. I mean, even if it had the transmission, I'll get the transmission today and call it a day. I'll just have it sitting until I'm ready. This is it had a D16Y8 in it. And cats didn't give a damn. But let me see if I can show you guys the RSX. They took the seats out, transmission, wheels, everything. This is another one. You can tell by the intake, this is a Y7. But no Y8s. Where are the Y8s, man? Where are the Y8s? Or the D16 Z6? Here's another one. The intake. And you can see it there. So, I don't want to bore you guys. Just trust me when I say if I saw one here, I'd have took it. I'm even looking for some TSXs because I want to see if I can do from auto to manual. on the TSX. But I don't even see TSXs here. But I think that type of car wouldn't be in this junkyard. I got to go to one that doesn't have, like these are most of the cars here are kind of old. So I'll catch up with you guys, all right?